In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge clips in CapCut and combine multiple clips into one video. First, open the CapCut app on your device. On the main screen, look for the option to start a new project. Tap on New Project to begin. This is where you'll select all the video clips you want to merge together. You can scroll through your gallery and tap on each clip you want to include. Don't worry too much about the exact order right now. You can always rearrange them later on the editing timeline. Once you've selected your clips, tap the Confirm button at the bottom to import them into CapCut. After your clips load, you'll be taken to the main editing screen. At the bottom, you'll see the timeline, where all your clips are placed one after another. This is essentially your merged video, but we'll refine it. If you need to change the order, simply tap and hold a clip on the timeline. Then drag it left or right to the position you want. Take a moment to play through your project and get a feel for how the clips flow together. If any clip is too long or has unwanted parts at the beginning or end, you can trim it easily. Tap on the clip in the timeline to select it. Then, drag the white handles at either side of the clip inward to cut off the parts you don't need. You can play it back to make sure the timing feels right. Go through each clip and trim as needed so your merged video feels smooth and intentional. If you see any gaps or transitions that feel a bit abrupt, you can add simple transitions between clips. Tap on the little white box or symbol between two clips and choose a transition style you like. Keep these fairly simple if your goal is just to combine clips so the video looks clean and not overly flashy. When you're happy with how everything looks and sounds, it's time to export the final merged video. Tap the Export or Share button, usually in the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate, then confirm to start exporting. CapCut will process your project and save the merged video to your device's gallery. From there, you can upload it to your favorite platform or share it directly with others. And that's all you need to do to merge multiple clips into one seamless video in CapCut.